Hello, and welcome to RubyLux Light's channel. If you follow medical research, you may have heard of gamma light therapy, and you may be wondering what it is and how it may be of help to you and your loved ones. In this video, I'll explain the basics of this new technology and how you can put it to work for you. For some time now, gamma light therapy has been used to increase alertness and focus. Similarly, many people have been using it to enhance the power of meditation. However, the latest revolutionary research on rats showed that gamma light may also be a key in helping patients with Alzheimer's disease. Although scientists are not yet totally certain on the specifics, it's believed that amyloid beta and tau proteins could be the cause of Alzheimer's. By inducing gamma brain waves, scientists were able to clear the amyloid beta and tau proteins in subjects' brains, which is a promising step in finding the answers to fighting this debilitating disease. Furthermore, clearing those proteins in tests seemed to result in improved brain and cognitive functions. But there is more good news. When gamma light therapy was paired with gamma sound therapy, the results were even more impressive. Nearly all excess proteins had been removed after about a week of daily usage of combination of gamma light with gamma sound. That's quite a change. You may wonder, now how does this actually impact the human mind? The brain is made up of cells called neurons. When one neuron fires, it sends tiny electrical signals to nearby neurons. In response, those neurons fire too. Then those around them fire as well, and so on. It causes cascades of electrical activity we call brain waves. Brain waves have different patterns and cycles. One of these patterns is the gamma wave, where the brain waves have a pattern of cycling 40 times per second. When the brain is producing gamma waves, people feel alert. As it turns out, neurons are really good at copying the signal whenever they pick it up on a rhythm. So when a stimulus like electricity, light, or sound match the pattern of a brainwave, the neurons that were exposed to it start to follow that rhythm themselves. Using light or sound to produce the brainwaves you want is called brainwave entrainment. In gamma light therapy, light is flashed at a precise rhythm of 40 times per second, mimicking gamma brainwaves and encouraging the user's brain to produce gamma waves as well. Gamma sound therapy does the same thing, except it uses sound. As a world pioneer in light therapy, RubyLux is always on the lookout for new groundbreaking technologies. It comes as no surprise that after reading this study, we felt compelled to bring effective precision digital gamma products to our customers. So we developed technologies that deliver the 40 Hertz gamma oscillations you and your loved ones would need for use in the comfort of your own home. If you or a loved one is 1 in 10 Americans over 65 fighting Alzheimer's, order your RubyLux Gamma Light and Audio Kit today and see the benefits for yourself.